According to this video, you can take eggs, freeze them, and then fry them in a pan. I'm gonna give it a try so that you don't have to, because this just sounds utterly ridiculous. Over here I have 2 eggs. Well, now I only have 1. And I'm going to take my eggs, pop them in the freezer, and see what happens. I am really not convinced about this one. All right, let's pop my egg into the freezer. All right, I am placing my egg into the freezer right over here. Have fun in the freezer, getting nice and cold. All right, let's now check on our egg. Wait a second. The egg cracked. That actually makes sense. I was thinking, what was weird about freezing an egg is, as you know, when you freeze a liquid, it expands. So I was thinking, well, if it is expanding, then how on earth is it gonna stay in here? And I guess the answer is that it basically didn't. It literally just exploded, almost. Okay, now, let's see how on earth do you get this out? The shell is much harder now that it is. Look at this. It is not cracking. Come on. I can't crack it. All right, I grabbed a knife. I'm just, I guess, going to try to cut it in half. Oh, all right, I think this is working. Bam, bam, bam. Whoa! Look at that. It is a frozen egg. It kind of looks like a hard-boiled egg in a weird way, even though it is quite the opposite, because we did not cook it, we froze it. I am fascinated. Look at that. Okay, this needed a close-up shot. That is so strange. Okay, now I'm going to try to just, oh, there we go. Okay, the consistency is kind of like sorbet, which is really weird because it's literally raw egg. I'm just gonna try to peel off as much of this outer shell as I possibly can. Okay, now on my stovetop, I have a non-stick skillet. I'm going to place this onto here, and now we are going to add in some vegetable oil into there just to like fry up the egg, I guess. All right, I'm now gonna place the eggs into there, and I guess we will just see what happens. I guess they're gonna first melt and then cook. Okay, I know I say this a lot, but this has to be in the top 5 strangest things I've ever done in my kitchen. I mean, like frying a frozen egg? Weird. Watch those frozen eggs melt and then cook. Okay, this egg looks good, but this egg, the bottom's like cooked and the top is still frozen. Very strange. All right, I think the eggs are done. I'm now going to take them and transfer onto a plate for serving. Okay, it's time to give it a try. It just looks really strange. All right, let's give it a bite. Oh, I do not like this at all. Okay, here's the problem. The egg is frozen, so the bottom part melts first, starts to brown, hence the browning, before the top part gets to cook. So by the time the top part melts and then cooks, the bottom part is very browned, and browned egg tastes nasty. That is the problem with this. I don't see any reason to ever do this again. It was definitely fun to try. Now I at least know what a frozen egg looks like. Other than that, no reason for you to do this at home. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, comment down below what other egg recipes do you want to see, and hit the follow button to join the Facebook fam to see all my videos. We're almost 2 million members strong.